sitting down at work because I have paperwork to do, and I really start at work because I can't really talk very loud. So hopefully you guys can hear me. Back to regular programming. I came back from Korea, not a big deal, and then my mom also came to Hong Kong right now, so I've been working a lot of early shifts so I can meet up with her for dinner. And then yesterday, a day off, so we went to this temple, and then we went to a really cool lunch buffet. Today I'm working early again, but my mom has plans for her high school friends. It's like a reunion kind of thing. So I'm just meeting up with my sister, and we're gonna grab some food. I think that's the plan today. But then my mom and sister go back to Vancouver on the 20th, so that's when I'm gonna adjust back to later shifts because I don't like mornings all the time. It's very draining, especially when I'm doing the work and then I'm meeting my mom afterwards. I'm really tired. And then it's the big news, but I'll announce that later. Very big news. My sister at TST because my mom had a high school reunion she needed to go to, so my sister didn't have any plans and she doesn't know anybody in Hong Kong. So we had dinner, we had OhKdrama, and then we had Haagen-Dazs, we got some Fields cookies, and then we went to Miniso and I got this blind Winnie the Pooh box which I'll open for you guys. But yeah, no, that was fun because I want to make sure I spend enough time with my mom and sister, especially my mom, because I won't be able to see my mom for quite some time. I am planning on visiting Vancouver next year, but I'm not sure if that's actually going to happen. Because technically speaking, I don't really have to go back. You know what I mean? We'll see. Because any money I'm making, I'm pretty much saving. And then I haven't announced my big news, but I'll announce it eventually. But I'm saving up pretty much anything extra. And then I do have to pay back my uncle because I don't have all my funds here in Hong Kong, so he's been lending me a hand. So bit by bit I'm returning it. It's not a big sum, but it's just bit by bit every time, and I'm saving a bit. And then I really want to go to Korea again. Tickets aren't too crazy expensive. They're like 1,100 HKD on the bad side. So it's not too bad, but I have to pay for accommodation sometimes. So, you know, I do want to be able to save some money though. So I might have two savings going on. One for Korea constantly and one just for like a rainy day. But yeah, anyway. My mom and sister are leaving on the 20th. Tomorrow, they don't really have plans. I think they have dinner plans, but nothing in the afternoon. And my mom was like, hey, do you need help packing some of your stuff in your service apartment to get ready to move out on November 30th? And I'm like, you've got nothing to do by all means. So I was organizing some stuff because I won't be here tomorrow morning because I will be at work. So I have like set aside some things that she can be packed into a suitcase because my mom is a master packer. And she doesn't have to wait because I'm not traveling, right? I'm just moving. So that's going to be really helpful. But I'm also extremely tired right now because to ensure that I spend a lot of time with my mom and sister, I kept taking all the morning shifts. I mean, you know me, I'm not a morning person. So working from 9:30 to 6, and then I have to go find my mom and sister for dinner, and then, you know, some family events, yada, yada, yada. I'm quite burnt out. It's all socializing, especially with family members. And you're like, oh, hi, Brother Nosy. It's like, ugh. But tomorrow is just me and my sister, and then my grandma's back in Hong Kong as well. So I think we're going to go find my grandma for dinner tomorrow. We'll see. But yeah, that's the plan. Let's open this blind box. I ensured that they're all Winnie the Pooh options, because there are other Winnie the Pooh blind boxes, but you could get Eeyore, Piglet. And I'm not a big fan of Piglet. Eeyore I'm fine with, but I love Winnie the Pooh. So better that way for this box. There's a Piglet involved. Why is there a Piglet? None of these have a Piglet. Unless I got the special question mark one. Way to go for me, I guess. And then there's like a little display thing. Oh! I think this gave it away. I haven't opened it yet. I think this gives it away. It's a stand for it. Oh, that's kind of sucky. It gave it away. Yeah, I gave it away. It is ooh, it's a chunky boy. Oh! It's not all plastic. This is felt. Only Winnie the Pooh shirt is like plasticky, but the rest of Winnie the Pooh is like felt material. Oh, it's so soft. Good design choice. But yeah, I got this one. It was kind of given away to me by having this card and then the piglet separately like that. That's kind of sad. But yeah, I got this, and I think the piglet sits on top like that. I just said I don't like piglet. There you go. Oh wow, this is running out of battery. I'll take this quick. I'm back in my apartment, service apartment. I spent the majority of the day with my mom, and then I went to the airport, dropped her off. But basically, before the airport, we went to grab some lunch, saw some relatives. We went to IKEA, looked some furniture. You know, some good reassurance for her that I can buy things I need, buy furniture for the future when I move into another apartment. Puts her at ease. At her ease puts me at ease, knowing that she's happy and not worried about me. It's good. And then the airport, said goodbye because it's gonna be quite some time before I see my mom. Because she's not gonna come back to Hong Kong until next November, I think. That's her plan. Because my mom still works full time, guys. So she doesn't have a lot of vacation days. She does have a full year, a full month she can take, but she doesn't take it all at once. She might consider doing that. She might do a full 2 weeks in Hong Kong next time. Who knows? Because I don't think she'll go do Korea anymore. She's done enough Korea, but I'll leave it up to her because we're all gonna know I'm gonna go to Korea many times. So it's gonna be difficult for her to come back all the time, but she has to come back once a year now because I'm here, and my grandma doesn't really travel by Vancouver anymore because she's getting older. So not just the only reason of me being here. She's gonna travel back and forth. But yeah, no, I don't think I'll see her for almost an entire year. So, I was processing through my head, I said goodbye to the gate, hugged her really tightly, love my mom to bits, and then, you tell I'm ringing a lingle. And then on the train right there, it just hit me that, I'm alone again in Hong Kong. And I keep telling myself I am okay in Hong Kong. Technically, I'm okay being alone. I'm used to it. But, spending all that time with my mom, a little bit in Korea, and then a lot of time in Hong Kong, she's very motherly. Just little motherly things for me. Like as I said, she packed up my suitcase more than I expected. Because I learned the Hong Kong express train to the airport, from the airport and to the airport, it's not as busy. People just tend to take the bus or taxis and stuff because the buses are definitely cheaper, but then taxis are just more convenient. If you're going to pay that much for the train, you might as well pay a little extra for the taxi to get to your destination right on time. It just depends on your needs. If you're a solo traveler, I do recommend just taking the Hong Kong Express. If you're traveling in a group, I would say the taxi. It'll save time. The bus is situational, but we'll go over that another time. But yeah. We're gonna ignore this. I guess you can say I was having a bit of a bad hair day today for some reason. I didn't do anything different, but you know what? Sometimes things don't work out, Don't worry about it. Anyway, I didn't vlog much near the end of the week. In fact, I don't think I really did a very good job vlogging in general this week. It's my first week back to regular vlogging, and I kind of sucked at it. I was a little distracted. I was just editing the Seoul, Korea vlog from last week, right? Is that last week? Yeah. I thought I'll be done by now, but I didn't start editing this until 2 nights ago because, I don't have a lot of space. And originally on here, I had like a mess. Not a mess, but I had a bunch of clothes here that I was going to pack into the suitcase, which I explained earlier in the week. My mom helped me pack it so that I'm ready to move out on November 30th to my next destination. So that's why I was organizing things on this table, and then I can't really edit anywhere else in this room. So that's why I got delayed until after that suitcase got packed. So that's why I'm on it now. I can finish tonight, but the problem is I have to wake up pretty early tomorrow. So that's why I'm going to call it a night here. I could easily finish tonight because I don't work until late tomorrow. I don't have work till like late afternoon. But the problem is I have to wake up early tomorrow anyway to do a very exciting... Is it an errand? A very exciting event is happening tomorrow morning, which I have to wake up pretty early for. So I can't really sleep in. If I could sleep into like my normal time, then I can definitely finish this vlog tonight and then push it out by tomorrow morning. But unfortunately, things took a turn, and I'm trying to have better sleep quality and all that stuff. So I'm not gonna finish the vlog. It's like, I would say 75% done. I'm just adding the music right now, and then I have to add the subtitles, and then it's good to go. But yeah, I can easily finish, but I need to sleep. And then the bad news is because I have to edit this week's vlog tomorrow too. So it's a lot of editing in the next 3 days. This vlog will definitely be late because I'm trying to make this a priority. But this vlog is easy to edit because I have to add more to a trip vlog, so that's why it's taking a little bit longer. So this one might come out a day late, but this one will definitely go out tomorrow, I hope. And next week will definitely be exciting. Well, not exciting, not be boring. I have a lot going on next week, and I'm kind of dreading it. But it's also really exciting too next week, which I'll reveal in next week's vlog. I didn't want to spoil it this week. I'm rambling on, and I'm trying to end the vlog so I can go to sleep at a relatively decent time. I have to wake up at 8 tomorrow? 8:30. Because I want to be out the door by like 9:20. I'll wake up at 8, just in case. So yeah, I'm gonna head to bed. I want at least 6 hours of sleep. But yeah, so I'm gonna end the week here, and I'll see you all next week.